Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Mission Espada, San Antonio River. Me and my buddy Ralph, my other fishing partner, decided to come out here and give it a try, cast the old line out. So apparently I didn't put nothing else up yesterday because I didn't catch anything yesterday. So now my buddy right here, Mr. Alvarado, he's going big game, small game.
Catch big fish.
Yeah, a hog bass. Yeah, go ahead. You can plug yourself into my chat. It's all good, bro.
Roadtrek.com.
Ralph Alvarado. Into RV and road trekking. That's his channel. So again, checking in, San Antonio, Texas. Nice and overcast. It's not too bad. It's not too humid. We got a breeze. Again, we're here around the historical missions of San Antonio River.
Not a history.
That street right there, Southwest Military Drive.
Yes, sir.
All right. Have a good day.